Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about something we use every day, like in making decisions. Should I have a tea or coffee? Is it hot or cold outside? So in Java, we make the decisions using conditional statements like if, else, and switch. So let's start with if else statement. So if else, like if, what do if, I mean, what is the work of if, what is the work of else, what is the work of if else? We will be discussing all those things. So first of all, let me create one class. Okay, class. So it should be the main class and condition, conditional conditional class. I will finish. Okay, so what we are going to discuss if a statement. So what is first, when we use if, what is the use of if, what's the work of if, what is the function of if? Is like it checks a condition. If true, a block of code runs. If else, if false, another block of code runs. Okay, so else if for multiple choices in sequence. So let me write down conditions. See, there is a age limit of 18 like that. Okay, so I will be declaring one age, int age equal to 21. Okay, so what I will do, I will check whether if you are a person who is greater than 18. Okay, then you should, there is an entrance of her one particular movie, that is adult movie, like it's a crime movie. So there is only for entry for adults. So I will check a condition if. Okay, what is the format of writing the if condition is like if, opening the brackets and opening the curly brackets, this is okay, but in this bracket we have to write the conditions. If age is, I have already explained about the relational operators, greater than or equal to 18. Okay, if age is greater than or equal to, then we can tell system dot out dot println, sorry, println. Okay, done. You are eligible to vote. So after 18 years only you are eligible to vote, right? Or you are entered to cinema, like that we can give. You are eligible, eligible to vote. Okay, next. If you are greater than or equal to 18, then you are eligible to vote. If you are less than that, you are not eligible, right? So for that, it's a true condition. See, if there is a condition, if in brackets we have to write the what is the condition, and if that condition is giving the like boolean statement like true or false. If this condition is true, then it will go. If it will print this line. So if this condition is false, else. So what is the format of else? Just write else and open the flower brackets. Enough. Just now you can copy a code. No, let me copy this. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So you are not eligible to vote here. Run as Java application. So you are eligible to vote. Why? Because my age is 21. So I will write now another one who is has 15. Age 15. Okay, done. I will run again. You are not eligible to. Okay, so you got it right. So if else condition, how to do, you got it. So now we will discuss switch. It is also a conditional statement. So switch is useful when you want to compare one variable against many values. Okay, so it's like selecting an item from the menu. So let us go, let us do that only. I will, okay, let me, this one done. So this is the main class. So yes. Okay. Now, what I will do, see, in a week we have 7 days. Okay. If you have that particular day, then I have to print that. I will do that one. Okay. So, for example, for explaining switch only, right? Maximum we will use days only, because it is the main thing. If you explain that, you will be very clarified. Matlab, you won't get any doubts. Okay. Int, I will give some day, number day of index of the day, like that. Okay, I will into you. I will day two. Okay, okay. So switch. What is the condition of switch? For that, we have to use switch else. I mean switch case condition, right? So switch. I will write that switch. See, what is the format to write that switch, and condition you have to give day. Okay. Switch in condition I have given day and flower brackets. Same like if, what I have done in if condition and brackets. Now it will check for every case one. If the day is 1, okay, if the day is 1, what should it have to print? The case is 1, it should print Monday. Okay, similarly, for every case we have to write. So I'm not telling that there are 7 conditions, right, since which it will uh, check the condition, and in cases what are the possible cases it will see. Case 2, Tuesday. Okay. Case 3, case 3, Wednesday. Similarly you can write for Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday, and 6 for Saturday, and 7 for Sunday. Okay. Then you tell me, bro, like we are giving that for every number. Want to like that? If I give a 8 number, so it is wrong, right? So how to check that? So for that, there is one thing called break. Okay. At last, after giving the conditions, right, we have to break it, and after breaking it we have to give the default. Okay, so what is the function of default? It is nothing but if you are entering other than the numbers which are in the cases, right, so it will print this one. Okay, this one I will show that as well. Wait. So if it asks means, if it like you are entering wrong numbers means invalid day. Okay, done. And I will run this on a Java application. So you can see I'm selected 2, that's why it is showing Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, for every statement you have to write a break. So if we are not writing break means what it will do is like uh, it will print every matlab, if you are entering 2, it will enter, I mean it will be displaying the 2 3 4 5 like that. So after every case you have to write the break. Okay, break break break. So not will run this again. Yeah, see, you can now it's working, right? So why we use break statement? So if you are not writing the break statement, it will display the other as well. So that's why we are writing the break statement. Okay, so you can see what you can see. I have given the condition two, I mean I have given the number two, so it is displaying that. Now I have told one more thing. What is the use of default? If we are using any number that is not there in the case, right, so it will print the default. So I will write this 9. So 9 is not there, right? So let me check what happens. Invalid day, you can see, right? Okay. So what would you write? What would your program decide? So this you are clear with this, right? If and else conditions, switch cases, switch and case. Okay. So what would your program decide if age equal to 15? In this I already shown, right, what is this, you can tell. And if you are learning something new, then hit like, share and subscribe. So in the next video we will be learning about the loops like for, while, do while, and we will be going to the deeper into the Java logic. Okay, so you have one more thing, guys, one more question. I'm telling it warrenly. Okay, so you can do that, and if you are able to do that, then only you can, if you practice more, right, it will be easier to write in the exam as well. Yeah, for any interview this is the basic things. Okay, so write a Java program to check if a number is positive, negative or zero using if else. For if else, I am giving one sum, and for second one, write a switch based program that prints the name of the month based on a given number. Like 1 for January. I for days, I have done for days, you do for months. Okay. So do these things. I will be posting that in the description as well. The questions will be posted on the description. So do this. So if you are able to do this, then yeah, it is very good. So you are very good at basics now, as of now. So in the next statement, we are going to the loops. So thank you guys for watching my video.